Welcome, lovers. So the topic we have to consider is on permutation and combination. So the two words simply mean arrangement. So they are ways of arranging letters or numbers. So in mathematics. So that is permutation. So the arrangement using permutation order matters. So that is, if you are given three letters, you want to arrange it using permutation. That is, the order of arrangement matters. We have A, B, C, the first arrangement, B, A, C, another arrangement, C, A, B. There are other arrangements, there are other ways in which A, B, C can be arranged to form an arrangement. So here, we are going to count each of the arrangements will be counted here. But when it comes to combination, the order doesn't matter. So that is A, B, C, B, A, C, C, A, B. So because each arrangement consists of the same letters, so they will be counted as one. So that is, now let's say for instance, if we are given three letters, A, B, C, how many ways can two letters be arranged here? So in which the order of arrangement matters, that is permutation. So if you are to arrange this using the order of arrangement in permutation, so we have A, B, two letters. By choosing two letters from here, two letters, so we have A, B, then we can also have B, A. That is, so using A and B. Now, we can also choose A, C, we can also have C, A. Also, we can have B, C. Then, we can have B, C, we can also have C, B. So, therefore, if you have to choose two letters from letters A, B, C, so the possible ways in which two letters can be chosen from letter A, B, C, or can be arranged from letter A, B, C, so A, B, B, A, C, C, A, B, C, and C, B. We have 6 ways altogether. So therefore, there are 6 ways. We have 6 ways. How many ways can two letters be arranged from letter A, B, C, in which the order of the arrangement matters? So that is permutation. Now, so we want to, let's consider combination. We have permutation here. Permutation. So on combination. So we want to choose 3 letters. That is, we are given 3 letters. We have to choose 2 letters from these 3 letters. So that is, we have A, B. Don't forget what I explained earlier on, that A, B and B, A. If you want to count this one, A, B and B, you are going to count it once, not twice, because A, B and B in combination, they are the same. So also, we can have AC. AC and CA are also the same when it comes to combination. The same thing applies to then BC and CB. So they are the same when it comes to, so the total ways in which 2 letters can be arranged using letter A, B, C. So we have 3 ways. So this leads us to the formula on permutation. That is, we want to arrange 2 letters with 3 given letters, from 3 given letters. So using permutation, we have 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 2 factorial. So that's the formula we are using now. Therefore, we have 3 times 2, we expand it. So from the previous knowledge, I've taught you how to expand in using factorial. So 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 2 factorial, that is 1. So we have 2 factorial, that is 3 minus 2 factorial will give us 1 factorial, and 1 factorial is simply 1. So therefore, we have 3 by 2 by 1. That will be 3 by 2 by 1 divided by 1 will give us 6. So we have 6 ways, which is equal to what we are having here. Now, but when it comes to, this is for permutation. Now, for combination, we have 3 combination 2. So we have 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 2 factorial. Then we have 2 factorial, which implies we have 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 3 minus 2, that is, we have 1 factorial, then 2 factorial. That is 2 factorial. We have 3 times 2 times 1. This will give us 1 times 2 times 1. So therefore, these 2 will cancel this one. We have 3 by 1 will give us 3. So we have 3 ways. Therefore, so the formula in general now, the formula for solving question on permutation. So you want to choose, you are given n, that is, so you are given n letters and you are to arrange, so r letters from giving n letters. So you are going to apply n permutation r. So in general now, we have n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. That is formula for permutation. Now for combination, we have n combination r equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, then r factorial. This is formula for. Now let's relate the two together. N permutation r and n combination r. So that is, since, so in combination we can have permutation there. So we have n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. This is the formula for permutation, then times 1 over r factorial. Therefore, the relationship now between combination and permutation, we can replace this with this expression now, that is n permutation r, which is equal to this times 1 over, then we have r factorial here, times 1 over r factorial, which implies, or we can write it in terms of permutation. So this is combination in terms of permutation. What of permutation in terms of combination? We have n permutation r equals to, then we multiply. That will be n combination r times r factorial. That is the relationship between the combination and permutation. Is that by using this, that is combination, permutation in terms of combination, or combination in terms of permutation. So this is the relation between the combination and the permutation. Thank you.